If you're looking to grow your glutes, today I'll be showing you some easy ways to do so. You don't need to go to the gym. You can do this straight from your bed any time of the day. No equipment needed. Just grab a mat or a clean space. Be on all fours, 4 minutes of your time, 20 seconds for each side. Let's do this together. Building the glutes is not about aesthetics. I mean, it's cool though, but it also helps with our day-to-day activities like walking, lifting, etc. So the fire hydrants targets the outer glutes, the hip abductors and core. The trick, tighten your core to stabilize your body. The squeeze, pause for a second at the top. The donkey kickbacks targets the glute maximus, the largest muscles in your buttocks. The lifting, keep your knees bent at 90-degree angle, your foot flexed pointing towards your shin. Drive your heels straight up towards the ceiling. Don't forget to squeeze at the top. The glute rainbow works all parts of the glutes. Squeeze your glutes to lift your leg, drawing a rainbow with your legs. Make sure your toes are pointed. Tap gently to the floor and squeeze your glutes to make your way back. You perform the glute bridges lying on your back. The squeeze is when you lift off the floor slowly. Lower your hip down. All these exercises are knee-friendly glutes builders. So if you're worried about knee pain or you're already having a knee pain, these are the go-to exercises. These exercises look simple, but simple actually works. And you can do this 3 times a week. Don't forget, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. I post workouts like this every week, simple yet effective. At home, no equipment needed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up to encourage me to keep posting more helpful videos. Let me know how you enjoyed it in the comment section. Stay tuned for more videos from me. Till then, be actively engaged.